September 30th, 2021. This is where I got a call from a guy. I guess I was there a couple of years ago when I replaced the vent on his, some kind of vent on his oil tank or something. But anyway, he's over there playing around with the oil tank. I guess he changed the filter and cleaned the screen on the pump, and now he can't get it to run, so calling me in a panic, wants to know if I go over there and bail his sorry ass out. So I guess I'll go over there and see what's going on, see if I get an oil flow, and must be off on safety. He said the thing won't run now.
Then take the first left.
Who knows? Sometimes, you know, people try playing around with shit and they make it worse. They should leave it alone. But anyway, we're gonna go over there and see if we can get it going for this guy.
Turn left on Highway 88.
Back on the road again. Back on the road again. Can't wait to get back on the road again. You're looking very stylish today, Miss Molly. You're looking very stylish, Miss Molly. Yeah, you're looking very stylish. It says you got oil in the tank. I remember I thought this vent alarm, but it was blocked outside with bees or something last time. It says he changed the filter. So they changed the filter. Let's see if we get a flow too. Looks like it's new. Let's see if we got any. See if we can get a flow here. He's got this disconnected too. That's a little scary. That's a little scary. It's probably off on hard lockout. Purge mode. There it comes. Should fly now. Be off on hard lockout now. We should check the nozzle on here. That's off on hard lockout. Hold it into a blink screen. I gotta hold it into a blink screen. Minute, couple of minutes, something like that. Alright, just blink green, it should be good now. So it fires up, we'll probably nozzle. Check the nozzle too on here. Let's check the nozzle. Let's check this nozzle, see what it looks like. It's an older gent, you know, can't even come down the stairs basically, so let's see what's going on with it. It's a bigger burner. It's a big boiler. Wow. 178,000. 155,000. Man, it's gotta be like a 5-section. Wow, that's a big boiler. Yeah. Look at the electrodes. Well, let's flip them loose. Yeah, got all that muck on there, that's no good. What size nozzle was on there? 120. 120/80. Yeehaw. Yeah, we'll put a 110/80 in there, it's big enough. Crazy. Flipping crazy, mama. This is a crazy one. Get them electrodes down more. The flipping carbon on this thing. Ridiculous. Flipping carbon on there. Flipping nuts. It's only a little flipping tiny. This house isn't that big. I don't know why he's got such a big boiler in this thing. Anyway, this is new. Boiler's not that old. 2005. monster. Flipping monster. See the oil burning off on that thing. These are gonna need a good fucking cleaning, man. I did readjust the air band on it. Yeehaw! Flipping monster. Alright, so I got the oil flow going. Put a new nozzle on it, clean the head. Readjusted the air band, put a little bit smaller nozzle in there. Probably could use a good cleaning also. 1 gallon 80. 1 gallon 80 nozzle, lead oil line, new nozzle, good oil flow. I did check this is open. This house isn't that big. I would have put a little, maybe a 4 section in the hair, not this big monster. That is a 4 section. Yeah, it's a 4 section oil. Could fire it up with the different size nozzles for more BTUs. When I was here, this vent was rotted out and it was full of hornets or mud wasps, so he wasn't getting the vent alarm wasn't working, so we had to clean that out, put a new cap on there. Well, Miss Molly. Well, Miss Molly.